Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your Geo number is active and your phone is unlocked. Open the My Geo app next. Once the app loads, sign in with your Geo number and OTP so the account dashboard appears. If you prefer, you can also use the Geo official website. However, the app is faster. Make sure to allow permissions for SMS and network access so the app can fetch your real-time balance automatically. You now tap the tile showing your active Geo mobile connection to reveal detailed usage. Once inside, find separate sections for main balance, data balance, and plan validity. This separation explains what you can spend on calls versus data. If numbers look stale, pull down to refresh or use the explicit refresh button so the app queries the network again. This ensures you see the latest deductions, and you finish by confirming the exact remaining gigabytes, any split between day and night packs, and the validity date so you know when to recharge. If the balance shown seems wrong, make sure the SIM is inserted and registered, the app has SMS/network permissions, and mobile data is on. These are common causes of stale info. If problems persist, try the UST code or contact Geo support. This resolves most synchronization issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.